Hey Curly Teas! Today let's make a creamy protein-rich leave-in with watermelon and hibiscus extracts meant to improve strength, shine, and softness. Always use distilled or deionized water to make these creations. I usually transfer my distilled water to more durable, smaller bottles for better, longer-term storage.
Distilled water is crucial in water-based skin products to ensure purity and prevent contamination, enhancing the effectiveness and safety of cosmetic formulations.
Polyquaternium 7 is a versatile cationic polymer added to the water phase. It is said to have anti-frizz and conditioning properties. This polyquat is often added to shampoos with anionic surfactants. Yes, this cationic polymer works with anionic surfactants without causing problems, but getting back to this particular formula, Polyquat 7 is thought to help with slip. You may feel improved application, but I didn't notice a gigantic difference at this percentage. Propanediol is a high-quality humectant meant to replace propylene glycol in formulas. Propanediol helps add a glossy look to the actual product. It's also super popular in skincare. Some people use it to help cut down on the stickiness of glycerin, which is a powerhouse humectant itself.
(1,3) propanediol is a plant-based, EcoCert and NPA-approved emollient and solubilizer for certain ingredients. The usage rate is 1 to 20% of your total formula.
MSM is said to help improve the strength of the hair over time. MSM stands for that lovely word on the screen right now. It's thought to help build protein found in the hair, the skin, and the nails. Some suggest to use 10% of MSM if you're using it topically. If you don't have MSM, you can skip it or replace it with another hair-loving additive or combination of additives. Try biotin.
This perfume makes things grow, don't it?
If you could please hurry the up, it would be greatly appreciated.
Do you believe the claims about MSM? Leave a comment below.
BTMS 50 is a conditioning self-emulsifier used here as the main ingredient to keep everything mixed well. BTMS, of course, is the OG. It's the GOAT. It's the go-to softening emulsifier for making leave-in conditioners. It's my favorite because it just works. It's not finicky. I don't have to babysit it. I've had a lot of conditioning agents and some work very well. Some are conditioning but don't provide any emulsification like Quaternium 80. Others require an acid to work well like stearamidopropyldimethylamine. Now, some are great but are almost impossible for smaller businesses to find or afford in the United States like Aminosensil HC, or I think it's called now Aminosensil Ultra MB. So use BTMS. Olivin 1000 is an EcoCert approved self-emulsifier. Okay, hear me out. YouTube, stay tripping. This channel is not monetized, thus and therefore, members at CURLYTEA.com have access to the full videos, instructions, ingredient list, and my notes. So come join us today. That's it, guys. You should have a substantial watermelon-based cream that will help moisturize the hair. Looser curl patterns may want something a little bit lighter though, but definitely if you have high porosity hair and you can't seem to hold on to moisture or get the frizz to stop, you may want to try this recipe. quiet in here. I gotta turn on somebody. Normally I have a podcast playing in the background while I'm doing this, but it's so quiet in here. I don't know how to react with a quiet house.
Shout out to the patrons at Patreon and the beautiful subscribers at the website.